We recently updated the personalized ordering system within Artelo, and it's going to make things a lot more smooth. So let me walk you through some examples. I have here a custom star map poster in Artelo's demo Shopify store. You'll see that this is sold in a 12 by 18 and a 16 by 24, unframed natural oak and black oak. So throughout this tutorial, I'm going to kind of walk you through how connecting a listing might work. So you can do that in bulk, but let's just do this the slow way. We're going to connect this listing to a new product. That is going to be, we'll call it custom star map poster. We're going to mark this as personalized. So this is already new. And then add a product type. So it is always going to be unframed, natural, black, if I'm not mistaken, and then 12 by 18 and 16 by 24. Okay, that should be good to go. And then lastly, we'll just use archival map. Okay, so now I have 4 matching variants. Since this product is personalizable, it really doesn't make sense for me to upload a design. And that's because this design, when it's ordered, is always going to be unique. It's going to have unique text. In fact, it's going to be unique for every customer. So why even update a design? So there's 2 ways we can handle this. So we could actually still upload a design, but because it's personalized, we're not going to automatically fulfill it. So this is relevant if you have, let's say, a customizable design. This is popular on Etsy for, let's say, where one of the colors is very popular, but oftentimes customers ask for a customization. So you might just set it to the most common color. In that way, we just load the most popular color or whatever was saved here. And then you can one click approve it for production and still have the flexibility to change it. We're not going to use that approach because it doesn't make sense here for a custom star map poster. So in order to finish this connection, I'm just going to click finalize product and I'm essentially done. Now I'm going to connect it. And since these should automatically connect because they're very far and few between, so I can see, okay, this is now all connected. I'm not actually going to need to change anything here. I'm going to change the shipping profile to Artelo. Everything here is going to remain the same. And you'll see now I'm going to publish the listing. And then once the listing is published, I'm going to refresh it here and then open it up in my products. So now this listing is connected to an Artelo product set. And what I'm going to do is demonstrate how the order flow would work. So for that, I'm going to go and create a dummy order, create order. We're going to search for the product, custom star map, and we're going to do a 12 by 18 unframed, for example. We're going to click add. And then from there, what we're going to do is add a customer. So I'm just going to create a customer. In fact, we're going to use Alexis Artelo. So now we have a customer already ready to go. And then just save the order and then mark it as paid so that this order goes through. So once that's actually done, we have a webhook waiting for this to be fulfilled in Artelo. So you can see Artelo requested fulfillment. And so now if we go to orders, it'll actually instantaneously show up here. So now we have an order for a product where we have pending designs. If I click on this, you can see that someone ordered custom star map poster. It is connected, right, to the corresponding variant, which is the 12 by 18 unframed. But because it's personalized, all we need to do is just upload the design. I don't have the design ready to go, so I'm just going to pretend it's this one. And then all we would need to do is click the apply designs and then send to production. And so that is now the fulfillment flow. And so as long as everything is connected initially, fulfilling personalized orders is going to be a lot faster than it was previously. Keep in mind that if I do upload a design that I would like to use sometimes, then I don't necessarily need to swap it. So you'll see that if I do choose to upload a design, it'll show up with that design loaded here. Otherwise, I see the plus button. So it may be not the easiest to see here, but you'll see that once that comes up, you'll see 2 types of different orders. We saw pending designs because we didn't upload it. And then if you did upload it, you'll see pending approval. And then essentially it's the same thing. You can still swap it out or use that original design that you had uploaded.